Everyone, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how Apica's telemetry pipeline can help reduce your Splunk costs by optimizing telemetry data before it's sent to Splunk. With Apica, you can ingest data from a wide range of sources, including OpenTelemetry, FluentBit, Splunk Universal Forwarder, and Heavy Forwarder. Once data is ingested into our platform, you can apply powerful rules to enrich, redact, and reduce the overall data volume. The optimized data is then seamlessly forwarded to Splunk. For this video, we'll use logs from the OpenTelemetry demo application. Here, you can see the ingested logs organized by source and application. To view logs for a specific application, simply click on the application link. Once you preview the logs in a structured format, you'll notice they are quite verbose. Often, not all of this information is necessary. Removing unneeded events or fields helps reduce noise and, more importantly, saves cost. Now, let's move to the pipeline page and look at the pipeline I've created for these demo logs. This screen shows the rules applied to the pipeline. The first two rules are drop rules, which remove entire events based on criteria. For example, the first rule drops all events where the field service.name equals cart service. The second rule drops events where service.name equals either currency service or Kafka. Conditions can be combined using operators for flexible event evaluation. Next, we have field drop rules. Instead of removing the full event, these rules remove only specific fields. Using the data flow selection pane, you can easily choose which fields to drop. Alternatively, you can directly specify the field names. After that, we've added a deduplication rule. This rule evaluates events within a 60-second window and removes duplicates. With the allowed count set to 1, only a single instance of duplicate events is retained. Before applying these rules, you can preview their impact. By selecting a data flow and running a pipeline preview, you'll see input and output events. Fields marked in red indicate those dropped by the rules, making it easy to validate changes. Once the pipeline looks good, simply save it and apply it to the data flow. As the rules start executing, the platform automatically generates metrics, including the count of ingested events, saved events, and the overall data volume reduction. The optimized stream can now be forwarded to any destination, in this case, Splunk. To configure Splunk as a destination, navigate to Integrations. And then Forwarders. You can set up either an indexer cluster or Splunk HEC. Just fill in the required details, including the HEC token generated from Splunk, and your destination is ready. Once configured, the forwarder is available for mapping and data forwarding. Within Splunk, you can view the incoming logs. These will show services across the selected time window. Once the pipeline has been active for some time, you'll notice that dropped events or fields no longer appear. The EPS dashboard will also reflect the reduced volume, showing a clear downtrend as the pipeline optimizes data. This trend continues as long as the pipeline remains active. Thank you for watching.